Hi, my name is Donna Smith, and I've been a patient of Dr. Traub's for over 20 years. And he's an excellent dentist, on top of being a very, very nice person, and his staff is so warm and welcoming. I feel like I've been extended family for a long time now. Last year, I made an appointment for a consultation with Dr. Traub. I was ready to do some cosmetic work to my face as well as my smile, and I looked through many, many albums and photos of Dr. Traub's cosmetic work over the years, and he does beautiful, beautiful work. I believe not only is he an excellent dentist, but he's an artist. So I noticed over the past few years, after I turned 50, my smile began to change, and I stopped smiling in pictures. I'd only smile with my mouth closed. I was developing an overbite and gaps between my teeth, and I was very, very self-conscious about it. And I also shared with Dr. Traub what I'd like to do to my face to remain youthful looking, and we both agreed that you can have a face filled with Botox fillers or even a facelift, and if your smile wasn't youthful and attractive, I personally would never be satisfied with the results. So I bit the bullet, so to speak, no pun intended, and decided to talk to Dr. Traub about porcelain veneers. And Dr. Traub was very frank and candid with me and said, "Donna, it's not your teeth, it's your bite, and you are a perfect candidate for Invisalign." And I was a little apprehensive at first, but Dr. Traub assured me that it was relatively painless and the results would be dramatic, and they were. And it's low maintenance. It's a fraction of the price of veneers. I'm 2/3 of the way done. I have 6 more months, and I'm so thrilled with the results. I can't even imagine what my teeth are going to look like in 6 months. And I highly recommend Invisalign and visiting Dr. Traub in his wonderful office.